Introducing ST2 series earth clamps. Model ST2B5. CE certified. EN 60974-13. 100% made in India. ISI marked. Jaw opening of up to 60 mm. Holds plate depth up to 40 mm. Up to 600 amps. Cable capacity up to 95 mm square. Some of the salient features include heavy-duty body for greater conductivity, designed especially for the MIG welding process. C-type jaws are adjusted by screw lever. Powerful swivel pad allows for low-resistance ground connections. High-grade copper alloy. Large contact surface area. Heavy-duty T-spindle. High clamping pressure force connection ensure optimal current transfer. Rugged, sturdy, and durable design. Low maintenance and easy to use. Optimal current transfer. Suitable for ballpoint connection. Oxidation resistant. Screw-on type clamping. Safe and quick connection.